gross. It's so nasty. That thing is huge. That looks fake. Those are so fucking gross.
See that in comparison to the size of that brick? Now look at one of these bricks compared to the size of my hand. Alright, I'll try to put it like his. Okay. And look at that son of a bitch. That fucker is huge shit. Now he's gonna die. You're cleaning this up, Vannaby. Oh, you son of a bitch.
Ew.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
I don't know, I don't see it.
I don't see his ass either. It's like one of the fucked up movies right here. Where'd he go? Man.
He's not in the tub?
Fuck that. I don't even know where he's at. I can't see him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Yeah, he's down for the count. Die, motherfucker. Alright, I'm just gonna let him die now.
You can.
That's how you do it, motherfucker. Can't spider, dog. Arr. With the right